How to add multiple sounds on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So as for now, there is no specific feature on TikTok that will allow you to add multiple sounds, but instead what you can do is simply capture a TikTok video without any sound and then launch your CapCut. From there, import the video and you can add multiple sounds in a single clip. So first go to edit after launching CapCut. Import the video that you made on TikTok. You can download the sounds from TikTok or from any other sources. After that, while editing, go to sounds and then from there you will be able to add as many songs as you want in different parts of the clip. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.